Hello everyone, welcome back to Kalatmak by Surya. I hope you guys are doing well. So today's video is all about DIY planters using bottles and oil cans. So आज का हमारा फर्स्ट DIY हम इस ऑयल कैन से बनाएंगे. You can start by drawing a swan body and cut it out with the help of a cutter. Further, I have used air dry clay to make eyes, neck and feathers of the swan. You might need to hurry up with the clay as it gets dry really very fast. If you feel difficult और आपके पास कोई भी टूल नहीं है, आप नाइफ, सिजर्स या और कोई भी पॉइंटेड चीज़ यूज़ कर सकते हैं. Finally, paint it white and again let it dry for a day. I have used white acrylic color. It's okay अगर आपके पास white acrylic color है. Otherwise, you can use interior wall paint as well. Finally, paint the face of the swan. So our next DIY is this cute mug planter. I already had this mug which was all broken and had a crack. So here I have simply written a code and enhanced with some designs. Further, I have made white polka dots and enhanced its boundaries with a golden marker. And finally you are done. It looks so cute and beautiful. Our next DIY are these cute little planters which I have made using the bottom of the cold drink bottles. So here I have just simply made the ears and cut it out with the help of a cutter. I had already painted it white to make it more easier. Also, don't forget to make holes in every planter you make. Finally, paint the bottle of color of your choice. It's not necessary कि आप यही color करें या यही face pattern बनाएं. You can just simply make any faces which you want and color them as you like. I have again used acrylic colors and permanent markers to make the faces. Also, make sure that you apply 2 to 3 coats of varnish to your planters. It would make more sustainable and would enhance the life of your planters. I generally use a varnish by Itsy Bitsy. You can use any other varnish you like. Guys, there is already so much of waste and so much of plastic all over. अगर आप old bottles use करके इस तरह के planters बनाते हैं तो do share it with me. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I keep on sharing such DIYs and more creative ideas. So here our cute planters are ready. Most prettiest of all is this cute little giraffe planter which I have made using a can and some clay. Again, do not forget to make a hole at the bottom. Cut the tin into half. Further, I have used the body of an old pen to make a neck of a giraffe and I fixed it with the help of some glue and tape. Apply some Fevicol and start sculpting the neck of the giraffe. If it's getting very difficult for you to sculpt or maybe it's sticky, use some talcum or baby powder to make it more easier for you. Try to give as much as you can the shape of a giraffe. If required, use tools or you can also dip your hands in some water. It will really help you to smooth the surface. I have used the back of a painting brush to give a texture to the neck of the giraffe. You can do the same. You can use dotting tools, sculpting tools or maybe just a ballpoint pen to make the features of the giraffe. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आपके पास सारे tools हो, so you can always find a substitute. Even I have used the cutter to give the shape of the mouth of a giraffe. Also, it is not necessary to use molded clay. You can always use your homemade clay or whatever you like. So I am happy with the sculpting and I really like the face and body. Now we will make horns and ears. Here I have used this iron wire. This is very easily available at your nearest hardware store. Also, you can use flower making wires or just make it with paper and affix it. not difficult as it looks. Initially, even I was very tensed. But later on, when I completed the whole body, I was really very happy. After the clay body has dried a little, add details to the face using the same clay. After completing the face and features, with the help of a dotting tool, I made a hole and put these beads as an eyeball. With the help of a cutter, enhance its mouth. Try to make it smiling. Once the body is completely dry, apply some Fevicol at the bottom and try to make resting legs. You can make a cone shape like structure and affix it at the bottom. अगर आप चाहें तो इन लेग्स की लेंथ भी इंक्रीज कर सकते हैं, बट मेक श्योर आप बॉडी डिस्ट्रॉय ना करें। फाइनली पूरे टिन को क्ले से कवर करें, एक छोटी सी टेल बनाएं एंड लेट इट ड्राई। आफ्टर इट हैज़ ड्राइड अप, use white acrylic color and paint it. Your giraffe is almost ready. Finally, use a golden marker and make some patterns as on the skin of a giraffe. If you like it this way, you can keep it white or use any color of your choice. Here I have used the golden pearl metallic colors from Fevicryl. Just adding a little bit to give it a classy look. Finally, I take golden and brown color and make a more darker shade. Giving the last touches, I'm just enhancing the texture I gave and the patches on the skin. You can also enhance the ears and horns. Use black color to enhance the eyes, nostrils and smile. Our last DIY is this golden black, absolutely so classy planter. Cut the tin into half. फिर फाइनली मैंने होल्स किए और अपनी चॉइस ऑफ कलर से इन पर पेंट किया। I have used black oil paint so that it doesn't get rust when water is poured. With the help of the golden marker, I would make some patterns and designs as I like. It's not necessary कि आप कोई पर्टिकुलर डिज़ाइन बनाएं या जो मैंने डिज़ाइन बनाई है आप वही बनाएं. You can always make any design of your choice. You can even choose the color you want. And finally, when it's dried up, it looks something like this. Also, if you like more of such content and DIYs, do let me know and comment down below. Please share, like, comment and subscribe to Kalatmak by Surya, and thanks for watching.